Okay, here's a quick update on the Metaltree Delta 3D printer. We've gone back to a single head for just testing it, getting it running, and we've added a fan onto that. We now can have it moving in all axes. So it's all running really well. And we just need to now get the bed calibrated so it will lay it all down flat. We've also got the extruder running now. Extruder is that's currently extruding 1.75 PLA, and we will also have got the heads moving. We had a bit of trouble with the end stops, which kept us from able to run it at the Maker Fair. But we've now So there you have it. All we've got left to do now is to get the hot end working, and we'll connect it up, and the base plate, and then we'll be ready to extrude some plastic and get this thing calibrated and hopefully up and running. Thanks for watching. See you next time.